To turn on or off Safe Search Mode on Google, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, go to the Google homepage and click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the page. This will open a new menu with several options, including search settings. Click on Search Settings to open the Search Preferences page. On this page, you will see several options, including the Safe Search Filters option. Safe Search Mode is a feature that helps filter out explicit content from your search results. To turn on Safe Search Mode, select the Filter Explicit Results option. You can choose from 3 options: Show Most Relevant Results, Filter Explicit Results, and Restrict Explicit Results to exclude explicit images and videos from your search results. If you want to turn off Safe Search Mode, select the Show Most Relevant Results option. This will remove the filter and show you all the search results, including explicit content. It is important to note that Safe Search Mode is not foolproof and may not filter out all explicit content. However, it can help reduce the amount of explicit content that appears in your search results. To confirm that Safe Search Mode has been turned on or off, try searching for a keyword that may return explicit results. If Safe Search Mode is turned on, you should not see any explicit content in your search results. If Safe Search Mode is turned off, you may see explicit content in your search results. Best practices for using Safe Search Mode include turning it on if you are searching for content in a public place or if you are searching for content that may be sensitive or explicit. You should also turn off Safe Search Mode if you are searching for content that requires explicit keywords or phrases. In addition to turning on or off Safe Search Mode, you can also use other Google features to filter out explicit content. For example, you can use the site operator to search for content only on specific websites. Or you can use the file type operator to search for specific types of files. Overall, turning on or off Safe Search Mode on Google is a simple process that can help you filter out explicit content from your search results. By following these steps and using other Google features, you can customize your search experience and find the content you need while avoiding explicit or sensitive material.